Hey guys, we have a special unboxing, a Hudson unboxing. This is a gift sent from our wonderful channel supporter, Patreon Platinum member, David Lee Jasper.
Oh, David Lee.
And it's for Hudson. He let us know that this is coming for Hudson. So let's see.
David Lee.
What is it?
Look at Hudson. He's so casual.
Yeah, what is this lounge lizard?
He's like, bring me my treats. Bring them to me. Oh. Oh.
Oh my God! It's chicken and waffle! Because he loved
Waffle House.
when we visited the Waffle House
Chicken and waffle.
on our drive down. Oh my God! Wherever did you find these? Oh my God!
Chicken and waffle. Oh, it's like at the Waffle House.
Wow, they are fragrant. Let me show you this.
Oh, they smell good. I smell them over here.
Look at that. Waffle cam.
Waffle cam.
Okay, Huds.
Chicken and
This
waffle
is from
cam.
David Lee.
David Lee, fantastic
He's
job.
salivating.
Fantastic job.
Oh, he loves them. They're like, look, they're like
bendy.
flexible, like soft.
Yeah, for Hudson. All the best for Hudson. David Lee.
Oh, perfect.
Fantastic job.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. He loves them.
Here, show the back. Chicken and waffle.
Now. Oh my God.
His nose is in the bag. He took one. He help yourself. No.
No, you can't help yourself again. This is ridiculous.
Hudson. Okay. All right. He's in the bag.
He's in the back.
All right, that's it.
I'm closing it up. David Lee, thank you so
Fantastic
much.
job,
This was
David.
amazing.
Thanks for everything.
Extra good.